Hey, in this video I am talking about the CSRF token in Django and I will show you a live example. So CSRF token protect against the CSRF attack. So full form of the CSRF is cross-site request forgery and it is known also one-click attack. You can go to the documentation of Django, the cross-site request forgery protections. So Django will provide you CSRF protections in the post form. Okay. In settings.py in your project, you can already see this middleware already have. When you create a form with post method in your template, then you also pass the CSRF token. This is a template tag. Okay, you have to pass this because Django will protect you from CSRF attack. So I will show you the live example. This is a website made by Django and another website FactDude. It is made by WordPress. Okay. So at first go to this site which is made by Django and here is a form with post method. Okay, I just inspect this. Find this form. So just here is a form tag end and so here is a form tag with post method. And in the input tag, you can see the name of the input tag is CSRF middleware token and this is the generic token. The length of token is large. Every time when you refresh this page, the token will change. Okay, this time the last 3 letter of the token is CNF. Refresh it and you can see this time the last 3 letter of the token is UIF. So every time when you refresh the page, the token will change. So this time the last 3 digit of the token is LQT. So every time when you refresh the page, then the token value will change. Okay, so go to this site. This is a FactDude site and it's a blog site. So go to the contact us page and you can see the form here. So I just inspect this and just find the form. And you can see the value of the input tag is very small. This is the token, but the token size is very small. So in this case, the Django will provide you more security. So if you refresh the page, so this time the last 3 digit of the token is 264. Now refresh the page. And you can see this, the token will not change. 267 is the last 3 digit. Okay. So if you refresh the page again, so you can see that the token value will not change, but in case Django, the token value will change in every time when you refresh the page. Okay, and the token and the length of the token value is very large. So Django will provide you a default CSRF protection from the CSRF attack. So when you refresh the page, the value will change. So this time the last 3 digit of the value is 7PU and refresh it. And this time the last 3 digit of the token is 1CW. Okay. So you can visit the Django CSRF token documentation for more information. So thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.